That impossibly cheap $499 rotisserie chicken from Costco. How does the retail giant not only afford to sell it at that price, but actually make money? For years, the legend of the Costco rotisserie chicken has fueled speculation. Is it a masterclass in loss leadership? A deliberate strategy to lure you into the warehouse for those pricier impulse buys? Or are there cleverly hidden profits woven into the fabric of that juicy bird? Let's break down the economics. The prevailing theory is that the chicken is indeed a loss leader. Costco likely sells it for less than its direct cost, meaning they lose a few cents on every single chicken. But the real win isn't in the chicken itself. It's about bringing you through the doors once you're in for that amazing chicken deal. The chances of you leaving with a new television, a bulk pack of paper towels, or those tempting Kirkland signature cookies skyrocket. These are the high-margin items that truly fuel Costco's profitability. Think of the chicken as the Siren song, drawing you into the treasure trove of bulk savings and exclusive brands. That $499 price tag is the hook. But the overwhelming array of other products is the real profit engine. But what if there's more to the story? Costco has one of the most efficient supply chains in the world. They've invested heavily in their own processing plants, tightly controlling every step from farm to rotisserie. This vertical integration dramatically reduces their costs. They also buy chicken in massive quantities, securing bulk discounts most competitors can only dream of. Furthermore, they've optimized their recipes and cooking processes for maximum efficiency, meaning less waste and faster turnaround. So, while the direct profit margin on the chicken itself might be razor thin or even negative, the indirect profits generated by driving store traffic and showcasing their vast product selection are immense. It's a brilliant symbiotic relationship. You get a fantastic meal at an unbelievable price, and Costco gets a loyal customer exploring aisles of opportunity. The rotisserie chicken isn't just a snack. It's a strategic cornerstone of Costco's entire business model.